Hello and welcome to this 5th edition of Top Tips with me, DanWhiteWeird. In today's video I'll be showing you how to bake and decorate the perfect birthday cake on the budget. Not only will it look amazing, but it will taste even better than Paul Hollywood. No, that's not right. It will taste even better than anything Paul Hollywood's baked. That's more like it. I've definitely never tasted Paul Hollywood. Never. Now I'm going to pretend in this video that I'm a young, excitable child, and I'll be very disappointed if this cake isn't the way I wish it to be. Let's go through our ingredients. Now here we have some icing, some sugar, chocolate. This can easily be found in Mother's fridge. Whipped cream. This can easily be found in Mother's bedroom. Hundreds of thousands, probably in the bedroom as well. Candles, they're definitely in there. And I think that's about it really. You'll also need chocolate fudge, which I did forget to mention earlier, because this video has really gone to hell. Now of course at this point most people will ask me, where's the flour? Where's the eggs? How are you going to make a base? And it's quite simple. Find yourself a loaf. And don't worry about baking that yourself. There's no need. You can go to your nearest supermarket, pick that up. I have left that one out for a couple of days, so it is a little bit hard, but that's nothing to worry about at all. So step one of actually beginning to decorate this cake, we're going to get our chocolate icing and we're going to smother the bread. Spread that on the top there, make sure we get it in the nice crevices and cracks. Try not to get on the board. We're not making a cake out of the board there, just keep spreading it around. Right on the top there, at the side. Ooh, right there, over there. Ooh, straight out, crevices and cracks. Back again. Cover that bread all in chocolate. I can't believe I'm doing this. I mean, I've got a degree and now, mums will be like, "Oh, what are you going to be doing?" And I'm putting chocolate over a loaf of bread. That is life. Of course, I'm not actually adding this black screen for dramatic effect. I genuinely forgot to press record on the camera. So we'll do another take. Oh, we're back. Now, the next part in this process is to roll out the icing. Now, I do find that icing can be a bit aggressive, so just put it in place first. Now, gently roll it across some icing sugar. And keep rolling it out, roll it out. Just keep rolling, just keep rolling. As Limp Bizkit would say, just keep bloody rolling. Now again, if the icing still hasn't calmed down, still getting a little bit aggressive, just give it a quick slap. Now you can sprinkle the hundreds and thousands in and roll them right in. Of course, from time to time, I like to think I'm an Italian chef, so I flip that icing like a pizza. Forward roll, back roll, Swiss roll, roll doll. As Bob Dylan would say, like a rolling stone, just keep rolling it out, rolling it out. Eventually you have a flat piece of icing that's ready to be lifted over our bread. Now this is a very delicate and tricky procedure, and I can't actually show this on film, because my family have been practicing this exact method that I'll be about to do in a minute for a millennia. I can, however, show you the end result, and I'm going to do that now. And now you can see that snugly over it, like a blanket over a baby. If the baby were made of wheat, which of course no one would wish for, but it's on there, nice and purple, fits snugly. And feel free at this point to decorate, put a little happy birthday message on top. Now do resist the temptation to pat it. I know it's cute and adorable, but after you've decorated it, you might regret it. So we've got our icing on, it looks absolutely fabulous. We're well on our way now to producing a cake that any 8-year-old would be proud of, any chef would be proud of, anyone at all. Of course, a birthday cake isn't really a birthday cake without candles. And you may think, we're going to struggle here. The bread was a little bit hard, but don't worry about it. Just drill in. Of course, little Timmy, who's only 5 years old, is going to need something much better than 4 basic candles. This kid needs to know he's special. So get your bigger concrete drill bit out, big hole in, and pop in a church candle. And this is going to add the va-va-voom anyone's looking for. Of course, there's still something lacking. I know you're looking at that cake and you're thinking, it's bloody good, but it's not quite perfection. And this is where the whipped cream comes in. We're going to add that final layer of polish that is going to shine this gem and make it into a diamond. And if you're not happy with a church candle, I know smoke can be a problem for some people, then just pop in a bulb. Make sure this is energy efficient. We don't want to be wasting any energy at all. Magnificent. There it is. That is a finished product. I mean, it's marvellous. It kind of brings a tear to my eye just how freaking beautiful that is. Now we're ready to prepare the cake. Now I did say the loaf was a bit on the hard side, but there's nothing to worry about there. That will add extra texture and a lot of crunch. So to cut this cake, we're going to need a knife. A bigger knife. No, an even bigger knife. I'm joking. I'm joking. You're going to need a saw. Now, most people have many friends. I too have a best friend. He lives in my room for most of the time. I'm going to serve this cake up to him now. I've been Dan White. This has been weird. And if you'd like to see me do any other cooking videos, please like, comment, do what you do. I've made a pancake with Mary Berry, which I think you'll find very informative if you'd like to check that video out. Subscribe for more content, and I will see you back here in the coming weeks. We'll be doing many more videos. Thank you for watching. What's a video?